everyone, let's get right into it. Shadenet Carport prices in Randburg for 2026. Okay, the big question. How much are you really looking at for a carport in Randburg?
All right, here's the ballpark for 2026. These prices include both supply and install.
But, these are just ranges. So what really drives that final number on your quote?
It really comes down to 4 things. And trust me, the first one is a biggie. Yep, steel posts are a huge part of the cost. Every single one adds up, big time.
And that's why wall-mounted carports are often cheaper. You just don't need as many posts. Now, the fabric is called HDPE, but what really matters is that all-important UV block rating. And get this, your color choice isn't just for looks. It actually changes the temperature underneath. Seriously, paying for good fabric now saves you money. It'll last years longer than the cheap stuff.
Now let's talk weather. Those Randburg thunderstorms, they demand some serious engineering.
This is what a pro looks at. Tension, hardware, footing, everything to keep it standing.
Okay, listen up because this is critical. Shadenet gives you shade, not hail protection. Period. So, do you need to get the council involved for one of these? Let's clear that up. Usually no formal plans needed, but you absolutely have to check your property's boundary rules first. All right, what about lifespan? How long is this investment actually going to last you? The steel frame? That'll last for 20+ years. The fabric itself, about 5 to 10. Okay, and how long does the actual installation take? Is your driveway going to be a mess? Nope, it's pretty quick. A standard job is usually done in just 1 or 2 days. And remember, your specific spot matters. Rocky ground, for example, can bump up the cost. And that's why you can't rely on a price list. A real quote needs a real look. So it leaves you with this question. Your property is unique, so shouldn't your quote be?